Well, the goats escaped earlier today, and these are the two non-working solar chargers that I need to take apart and send in to be repaired. One of them's already been sent back to Parmak for warranty work and broke again. Not working right now, so the other one is down by the goats, and I'm hoping it's just not working because the amount of rain we've had recently and the fact that it hasn't been too sunny. So I'm going to take these apart and see if there are any obvious signs why they're not working. I've already pried the tops off here with a little flathead screwdriver. Is that a spider web? Yeah, that is fascinating. Okay, there's some. And we've got what looks like a wasp nest down in here. I imagine that might fit the performance of it. There's a battery down. Wow, really, guys? Unplug the battery there. Yes. Always unplug the battery when you've got a wasp nest in here. Can I even do that, or do I have to get it out first? Isn't this just a pain in the balls? Arrows don't want to come off. I might have to just lift the battery out somehow. First of all, let's get this wasp nest out of here. It doesn't seem to have any occupants, so we'll put that aside. And I guess we need to know if the battery takes a charge or not. Let me try to get this out of here. Well, now I got the battery out. Looks like there's screws here that this comes out with. I gotta get a screwdriver and get that apart. Probably be a great idea to disconnect the battery somehow. I might want to refer back to YouTube to figure out how to do that, because I don't know if those connectors are going to come off easily. Let's take a look at what's wrong with candidate number 2 here. I guess the obvious situation would be the ants living in it. How would that affect performance? Yeah, definite ants living in here. I got 2 batteries side to side on this one. And no real easy way to... There we go. Want some strain relief on this wire. Yeah, it is a mess down in here. Look at that shit. There's all sorts of dead bugs right here. That's not looking too healthy. Well, I guess I gotta test both of these batteries, but I'd still love to just send these in for service, because the battery, especially on this one, they shouldn't be dead. They should be fine. But, yay. Well, wow. Ants and wasps. Does that affect the warranty? Ha ha ha. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna get these apart somehow, test the batteries, and then, if that's not the issue, I mean, you can see the condensation in here, so we definitely have a problem in the inner workings of this one, which is supposed to be on the goats, because it's got the most kick. So, hopefully I can get these apart and sent in for repair soon. I've unhooked the clips on the battery there, and currently just getting these off here, these little screws. Of course, it helps to have black flies and deer flies on your face while you're doing this. Pro tip. And we got the top loose. Really? For reals? Alright, how do I get past these bottom pieces here? It's coming out of there. Yes, it does. Hey, look, we got a snail right here. That's helpful, right? Snails are good for functioning chargers. We got it out. out and all good to go to get repaired. How did this happen? Oh, shit, that's still connected. Okay, on to the next issue. As you can see, we have quite a few ants running around in here and on the battery. So we're going to go ahead and disconnect that and take this piece out right there. Come on, ants. You guys are going to be looking here. Whoops. This is not conducive to you being here for very long. I'm gonna get out. Come on, ants. Don't crawl on me either. Come on, you gotta relocate your shit. You can't stay here. I need this working. Silly ants. Come on, you guys gotta relocate somewhere else. Ooh, the mosquitoes are really active tonight. This is, everything's still very wet around here. Now, I'm no expert, but that looks like a very corroded little terminal there. To quote one of my favorite old car auto repair channels, I'm sure that won't be a problem. Let's get this out of here. Tilt. There we are. All ready to send in. Look at that. Ooh. I'm sure that's not a problem either, right? Nah.